here are tonight.
If I could watch only one game this week, I think this would be the one.
Both of these teams have some great competitors on their roster, so look for some great individual efforts throughout this game.
Brendan sets it up on the left side. The Magic are using a lot of energy on defense.
They might need a breather soon.
Finger roll. Orlando increases their lead to 4. Puts up the tray. Weber collects the rebound. To Davis. There's the fake. To Weber. To the Diesel. To Davis. He puts up the jumper. Jackson grabs the rebound. Shot blocked by Hill. To Christie. Pulls the trigger. Yes! For 2. Baron Davis proves game after game why he's an all-star. He's a leader of this team. To Hill. Looks for a three-pointer. He comes up empty. Mark grabs the board. I think we're seeing a call for some post play here.
They want to work the ball inside to see how the defense reacts.
How good is this kid? Well, he can play and defend all 5 spots. That's how good he is. Anytime he can get the isolation, his eyes light up. Davis with the fake. Dishes off to McGrady. Sends it to Weber. That was a nasty dunk, Bob. It had grace and power. He sets things up. Davis is charged with a foul. Is this team starting to feel the strain?
I wouldn't have thought it, but by the looks of it, yeah, there's something going on.
Brendan feels they have an advantage down low, and they're going to try and exploit it. Steal. Brendan is looking to go down low and get some points in the paint. Big Jack puts it out. Davis with a little spin move. Strips the ball. Tosses it into Garnett. Mark gets his man in the air.
Mark Jackson. The assist to number 7, Terrell Brandon.
Jackson with the steal. We're seeing the post players trying to establish position.
He's looking for the entry pass so he can go to work, Don.
Christie takes the jumper.
They're having a hard time containing him.
His shots keep dropping. With the spin move. To Davis. Pump fakes. This guy's an all-star, an MVP candidate, one of the league's premier forwards. It's really hard to believe that one day a team was willing to trade Weber.
Number 1, Baron Davis.
Brendan wants to try and work it into the post here. When they spread their offense, it gives him the room he needs to operate.
And it really makes a tough draw on the defender.
Christie is trying to get the ball into the post area.
If they can get points in the paint, it may open up the outside shot.
Looks at the 3. Christie hits it. That's 7 points for the 11-year veteran.
Joe Smith.
Gives it off to Davis. Fake. Up with a shot. The Diesel. Good.
The assist to Baron Davis.
Brendan is trying to run some plays for the big men to get some production in the paint. To Garnett. This is a matchup they can take advantage of.
That's why we're seeing the isolation. That is some dead-eye shooting.
Tracy McGrady is a nightmare for anyone to match up against. He's long, he's fast, he's explosive, and not just on the offensive end. The Warriors does not begin to describe Shaq's game.
You gotta get up here, boy.
Christie, good fake. He puts up the J with the quick transition. Oh, baby, that got everyone out of their seats.
The assist to number 1, Baron Davis.
He sets it up on the right side. Rips the ball. Pass to Hill. He fakes the shot. Now that's what I call a power jam. He's now got 8 points. At the end of the first quarter, the Magic lead the Timberwolves 16. Bob, looks like they'll need to work on their scoring.
And their defense, and a few other things.
This isn't the best game I've seen these guys play. Garnett fakes the shot. Blocked by Hill. To Shaq. Fakes it. Back to Davis. To T-Mac. To Davis. Up fake.
The assist to Baron Davis.
Brandon will bring it up court. Davis is called for the defensive foul.
To number 1, Baron Davis. Into the game for the Minnesota Timberwolves. Number 3, Lauren Woods.
The offense is looking to get something in the post.
They want to try to get the post players involved.
There's the facial.
Ouch, baby.
The assist to number 32, Joe Smith.
To O'Neal. To C-Webb. With a nice shot fake. That was a slick two-handed jam.
The assist to number 34, Shaquille O'Neal.
Brandon shoots. Oh,
Terrell
yes.
Brandon.
It's all about the defense. Come on, baby. All about the defense.
To Hill. He gets his man off his feet. Shoots a three-pointer. Garnett boards it. Seems to me they're looking to generate some points in the paint. Stolen.
They've got it going on now.
This is the kind of game they wanted to play tonight.
Defense needs to do a better job in transition if they want to win this game.
They're trying to run some plays for the big man to get some production in the paint. Fires away. He hits the shot. T-Mac now has 6 points. Backing his man down. Garnett buries the shot. He's doing a nice job, Bob.
I don't know if they can shut him down.
To McGrady. Pass to O'Neal. With the Rainmaker. McGrady gets that one.
The assist to Shaquille O'Neal.
Brandon is looking to go down low and get some points in the paint. He takes the ball out of bounds.
If there's no pressure on you, why not come to the middle of the floor?
Into the game for the Minnesota Timberwolves, number 20, Gary Trent, and number 11, Troy Hudson.
Missed.
Garnett with the steal. On the break. Hudson makes the finger roll.
Minnesota love to turn steals into fast break points.
They want to try and work it into the post here. Hill picks up the defensive foul. This is when you want to call a timeout.
The players on the floor are frustrated. The coach isn't happy, and neither the guys on the bench.
They've got to come together.
For the Timberwolves, number 44, Anthony Peeler.
Makes it.
Davis. 2 minutes remaining.
He fakes
in
the shot.
Second quarter.
To Weber. Powers it down with a two-handed jam.
The assist to Tracy McGrady.
Takes the shot. Wood takes the offensive board.
Into the game.
O'Neal with the defensive foul.
Felipe Lopez.
If they can run a few isolation plays for him, he'll come up with points. Missed Another high riser. He sure threw that one down with authority. The Magic lead by 8. He is such a tough assignment on defense.
And when he can lure you into a one-on-one showdown, you know he's going to cross you up.
With the quick spin move. Goes up.
Minnesota has been able to establish a low post game.
He fakes. Hill lets it fly. Got it.
The Magic are using the outside shot to blow this game wide open.
He sets it up on the left side. With the J. McGrady spins to Hill. Pump fakes. Gives it off to Davis. Dishes off to O'Neal. Back to Hill. Davis fires. Off the mark. Woods brings it down. Puts up the tray. No good.
Get it up court.
To Hill. With the nice shot fake, Trent grabs it.
You're right.
The defense hates to get caught up by those isolation plays.
With his scoring ability, you've got to think of double teams. But he can also beat you with the pass.
After 2, the Magic lead 34 to 27. In the first half of play, we've seen some of the problems that have plagued this team.
And it's mainly on the defensive end of the floor. This time, sometimes, you know, you just got to learn to just work for it.
He throws down the tomahawk. He sets it up on the right side. Stolen. It's 2-on-1. Brady is whistled for the defensive foul. Christie, he's not the man you want to put on the line. It's the second.
Get up, boy.
O'Neal, good fake. To Hill. To Davis. He will not be denied.
Once he starts his move, that's it.
Trap.
For 3. Not there. Weber takes the rebound. He sets it up on the right side. That was a nasty dunk, Bob. It had grace and power. Puts up the jumper. Christie can't find a hole. Davis gets the rebound. Slamming it down with a windmill dunk. T-Mac now has 13 points. That's a 6-0 run. Brandon sets it up on the left side. Weber is whistled for the foul. This team has been able to convert a lot of shots in this game. Smith spends a lot of time working on his free throws, and it shows up in his stats. To McGrady, to Weber, fakes the shot. He takes the shot. He comes up empty. Jackson grabs the rebound. This isn't the kind of player who needs 3 picks and a pass to score.
Just give him the rock and get out of his way.
That gives him 11 points. The fake to C-Web. Pulls the trigger. He drains the jumper. He's red hot with 16 points. The Magic are using defense to fuel their offense.
That'll bring some fast points.
He's been wrong. Minnesota in transition. He powers it down for 2. He leads the team with 13 points.
The assist to number 7.
Weber, good fake. Pass to Hill. Stolen. Brandon with the ball. Looks like they want to go inside.
They think they can definitely get some points from down low.
Looks at the three. Smith with the offensive board. Up for the lay-in. To O'Neal. He puts up the jumper. Oh, yes.
The assist to number 4, Chris Webber. 2 minutes remaining.
With the J. O'Neal picks it out of the air. McGrady sets it up on the right side. Hill pump fakes. Dumps it into Weber. To Hill for 3. He can't find the hole. Mark grabs the board. He's tearing it down.
The assist to Doug Christie.
To Hill. He fakes. O'Neal receives the pass. To Davis. Smith is called for the defensive foul.
Defensive foul.
Weber has got a soft touch from the charity stripe.
That's the first foul in the last 2 minutes.
Foul shot is good. I think we're seeing a call for some post play here.
They want to work the ball inside to see how the defense reacts.
The official's going to let him have his say.
As long as they keep the volume down, the refs are pretty good about listening to them and trying to explain what they call.
To Davis. Sends it to Weber. Now that's what I call a power
The
jam.
assist to Tracy McGrady.
Christie with the shot. Oh, yes. Minnesota is trailing by 5. There's the elevation.
He's got some lift.
Assist to
That's 8 points for the former first-round pick. His teammates are giving him room for the ISO.
When he can get some room, he can really operate.
He goes for the fake. Oh, baby, that got everyone out of their seats. The Magic are up by 7.
Back it out, baby. One shot.
Brandon will bring it up court.
When you've got this much time left on the clock, Don, you want to hold for that last shot.
Oh, no question. Dumps it in to Mark. Rejection. From downtown. To McGrady.
Watch the clock.
He threw that one down hard.
the assist to number 4, Chris Webber.
At the end of the third quarter, Orlando leads Minnesota. Their coach has to be pretty happy with their play, so far anyway.
You always want to go into the fourth quarter ahead on the scoreboard, but the big question is, can you hang on to that lead?
Strips the ball. To Brandon. Backs him in. O'Neal with the interception. Davis pushes it hard up court. Hill with a finger roll.
Orlando comes up with the big J.
He'll bring it up court. Brandon sets it up on the right side.
On your left.
That's why you set screen. He leads the team with 17 points. Sends it to Hill. To T-Mac. To Davis. With a nice shot fake. Brandon grabs it. To the kid. With the monster stop.
He's doing a man-sized job today.
The assist
Gives it off to O'Neal.
Terrell Brandon.
To T-Mac. Dish to O'Neal. Smith picks up the defensive foul. He has 23 points. This player wasn't always a great free throw shooter.
It just goes to show you what you can get from practice.
And number 11, Troy Hudson.
He's 2 for 2 from the line. The Magic are up by 10. Woods feels they have an advantage down low, and they're going to try and exploit it. Goes up. Hudson hits the 2. Minnesota is down by 8. To McGrady. O'Neal fakes the shot. To Davis. Pass to McGrady. Looks at a three and makes it. He's red hot with 18 points. The Magic are up by 11. He sets it up on the left side. Hudson is trying to get the ball into the post area.
They can get points in the paint. It may open up the outside shot.
Woods to the line,
Into
shooting
the
one.
game for Minnesota, number 20, Gary Trent.
Rims off. Weber picks it out of the air.
Go! Get in the pass!
He knew what to do that time.
Now this is a throwdown.
Hudson will bring it up court. We're seeing the post players trying to establish position.
He's looking for the entry pass so he can go to work now.
Backing his defender down. Knocked away. Hudson wants to try and work it into the post here. From three-point territory.
The coach is giving him the green light.
And he's lighting up the scoreboard, Bob. Passes off to Hill. With the nice shot fake, gives it off to O'Neal. To Davis. To McGrady. 180-degree reverse jam. That's play of the day material right there. The Magic are ahead by 10. He initiates the offense.
2 minutes to go.
Shoots! He makes the jumper.
The assist to Troy
The defense needs to buckle down and stop them here.
To Hill. Powers it down with a two-handed jam.
The assist to Chris Weber.
The three. Weber brings it down. Orlando playing the transition game. That was a slick two-handed jam. That gives him 6 points.
Tracy McGrady into the game for the Minnesota Timberwolves.
Time is running out on their chances tonight. Batted away by McGrady. He steps on the sideline and it'll cost him the ball.
That's the kind of unforced error that just will get you on the bench.
To Weber. He pump fakes. With a hook. O'Neal for two. That's 12 points for the 11-year pro. That's a 6-zip run. Hudson goes for three. McGrady pulls it down. With a nice shot fake. To McGrady. Oh, baby, that got everyone out of their seats. That's an 8-0 run. Orlando increases their lead to 16. He sets it up on the right side. Launches the three. Davis picks up the foul.
Into the game for the Timberwolves.
Foul shot is good.
Joe Smith and number 7, Terrell Brandon.
To Weber with a nice shot fake. To the Diesel. Coming down hard with a tomahawk jam.
The assist to number 1, Tracy McGrady.
With the nice shot fake. Weber gets the rebound. Fast break. Oh, defense is back there in time. He'll bring it up court. They're running and gunning. Takes the three-pointer. Monk grabs the offensive board. Hill pulls it down to T-Mac. Garnett with the steal. Tries one from three-point land. Davis takes the board. Orlando with the push. And Hughes makes the finger roll. Tonight's final, Orlando 79, Minnesota 63.